What's up with y'all? Back with another video, and as you see me moving this out the way, so clearly we got another set of floors in. Hopefully these ones will work, because not sure what I'm gonna do. So the situation with the floors were, like I told y'all in the last video, the floors that we actually got for the garage, when we did the whole garage, they got discontinued and they don't sell them anymore. So now I'm trying to find other companies that make the same type of floors, which I haven't found any yet. So the pattern is going to be a little different with the floors that I'm picking up, or the floors that just came in. So I'm going to have to alternate the pattern of the floors with the new floors, if you get what I'm saying. Like, it's going to be one pattern, then the other one, and the other one, the other one, to make it look somewhat decent, and I'm going to put it in the front. So I'm going to end up having to pull some of the floors up to connect the new floors, but hopefully this one works. And we're also going to knock the Camry out. So you see the pattern on these floors. Well, I got the box in the house, so I'm going to have to pull probably all of these up. Let me see. Well, I need like 25 of them. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20. So yeah, this row right here is gonna get pulled up, and I'm gonna change the pattern up so it'll look decent. But we gotta get the floors out the house first. Let me go grab that box. Just like that, we had the box. The blue, as you see, the blue looks the same. Hopefully this will work, y'all. Hopefully this will work. I'm gonna vacuum the little dirt up and stuff that's around the end of the garage, and then we can start laying these floors down. Look at this. Floor's dirty already.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm happy with how this turning out, but you can't really tell the difference, to be honest. Like, I interlock it, some of them together. That's one, next one. See, if you look at it, you can see the pattern is different. So it's later on in the afternoon. I finished the floors, but my camera had died, so we just gonna pick up and I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like. As you see, I need to cut a lot of it because it's overlapping outside of the garage doors, but we just gonna go on the inside. Boom, look at that. Garage is complete, y'all. Garage is now complete. It's kind of hard to tell the difference in the floor tile, but if you step back and pay close attention, like you'll see little L's in the pattern compared to how it's just like square, you see square space, and then you go over here and you see it's different. But that's the only way you can tell. The color match is perfect, and the pattern is slightly different on some of them, but it still looks good. So I'm not gonna complain, I'm satisfied. And take a step back and just look at it. But yeah, so the work on the Camry. So I think I'm gonna take some time off. I'm gonna have a lot of time off from my actual job, and I'm gonna get the Camry done. Matter of fact, I should call a guy today to see about the engine for the freaking Mazda, because we're going to definitely get that started, like ASAP. I want that on the channel within the next 2 weeks, so more content, like I said. And as far as the sound, audio, the visual, I need to find somebody that's going to work with me and help me out when it comes to that, because I want to have different videos. I want my videos to be different from what y'all used to. That's going to bring more attention to them. So I'm going to continue working and doing what I've been doing for the meantime, though. So I guess with that being said, I'll get with y'all tomorrow when we start working on another car. I'll see y'all then. What's up with y'all? New morning. Just waiting at the bus stop now with my son. About to head to the gym shortly after he gets on the bus, and then we're going to try to get some work done. It's supposed to storm at around 9 o'clock this morning. It's only, well, it's probably another hour because it's 8 o'clock now. But if it doesn't, we're definitely going to take care of the Camry, do some body work. I have an idea of how to fix the little gap. As you've seen in the last video, there's still a little gap that me and my cousin tried to fix, but I looked at it and thought about it long and hard, and I'm pretty sure I know what to do to fix it. And after that, you see it's all cleaned up. All the cars are clean, so I'll probably drive it to Mako to get a quote for a paint job. And as far as the silica, that's another car that needs to get painted, so I'll probably ask about that too. And I don't understand why these buses come out late today. But I'll pick back up with y'all when I get back to the house. I'm gonna hit the gym up. I'll probably throw a clip in there of my little workouts today. Try to change the content up like I told y'all last video. But yeah, other than that, that's the plans for today. I'm not sure how long this video is gonna prolong. Like the last video, it took 3 weeks to actually post because I went from 1 week, the next day, 2 weeks later, probably another 3 days later, it went on and on. So you had everything in the last video, but this video is going to be short and sweet. We try to get some stuff done and get this video posted. So yeah, but y'all stay tuned.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like
Tomorrow for sure.
So today my goal was to get some yard work done. As you see, my grass needs to be cut bad, but since my ride mower is down, it's only right to get some car work done, right? So today I'm gonna be finishing up the body work on the Camry. So you seen the other day I went to Walmart, got everything out, and the car is dead. That's just freaking great. Oh man, you know, it's always something, yo. I tell you that, always something. Like, there's no power at all. Let me see if it's unplugged or something. Jesus. Alright, I'm gonna let the battery charge. It's not too bad because I can still do the body work right here. I'm just gonna end up moving that car. But a good sign is that we did get a light come on. The door light came on. So I'm gonna let this car charge. So I'm gonna let this battery charge, and we're gonna knock this body work out right here. I'm probably gonna remove the bumper, take it in the garage. I'm about to use the heat gun. I'm gonna heat this up, try to mold this to fit flush with the headlights. What else we got to do? I gotta sand this part right here down so I can lift this part up, and I gotta do it on both sides pretty much. And that'll be it for the bumper. And then I'm just gonna sand the side skirts down. I don't know if I should remove them now or just wait till I sand it off the paint, but everything else looks pretty decent. Gotta sand these screws down, go back over with body filler right here, these gaps, little stuff like that. Not a long process, but we just need to start working on it so we can just send it off the paint. Tired of the car just sitting like this, so let's go ahead and get a jump on this, get everything done. And just like that, we got the bumper off the car. So like I said, I'm just gonna apply heat on this side, try to lift it up some, and it should fit flush. Like you can see the dip in that side compared to this side. So what I was trying to do at first was add fiberglass to lift it up, but that did not work. So I'm gonna have to sand this down, make it nice and smooth again, and do it the right way. Just apply heat and try to lift it up. And with this side, it looked like I tried to do it before, was just sand this down because it's sitting too high. So I'm gonna have to come up with something because I didn't know that I had did that on that side. But maybe that's why that side fits better than this side, because you see I didn't even touch that side, and there's like a slight lift, like an arch right here, and that's where it rubs at. So I'm gonna have to do the same on this side, just make it even, just cut it all the way down, and it should be okay. But if anything, we should be able to fix it somehow. All right, let's get a start on this. All right, so I got this little setup here, and pretty much I'm going to apply heat from the bottom and put a weight up here so I can push it down somehow. So that's the plan. Hopefully it'll go down some. That one is perfect, so we're gonna try to figure something out here. Hopefully it works. But I did get the car running, so it needed like a 5-minute charge. It's running. I'm gonna let that run while we knock this out. I'll probably end up taking this out to the gym later, put some gas in it, because I really don't know the last time I actually drove this car out. So I want to check, see how it runs and everything. I don't even know if I'm gonna put the bumper back on. I just put the plates in the front or whatever, because I got new plates on it for the other day, because my tag on every vehicle is messed up somehow. But I got everything straight, and we're gonna see what we can do with this car. So we're gonna see what we can do with this bumper, and hopefully we'll finish everything today. If not today, it's definitely gonna be this week. So I'm not in no hurry to try to get everything done today, because it's going to get done. So let's jump in on it. Now that I apply heat for like 5 minutes, I'm gonna let this sit. That's a 25-pound weight. Of course, you see it's a 10. So hopefully this little weight right here can keep this pushed down to pop that back out and make it even with this side. That way it'll fit flush with the headlights. And then I'll probably go to the gym now, and when I come back, we can knock out these little corners. But I'm gonna fit it to the car before we even do that, just to see if it lifted up a little bit. Like it's about to cut off. So I don't know if it's the alternator. I don't know if I should give it a try and drive it up to Times Square for a little way. But you see. I think I do have an extra alternator from that car. It should work the same. I should take it or not. It is running for a while though. I'm about to give it a try. Maybe it's just gas or something. Pray for me, y'all. Before I left, someone told me to turn the car off just to see if it would turn back on. And as you see, I get nothing. So I didn't want to take that chance to drive it to the gym. And this happened, so glad it did. So what I'm about to do now is put this back on the charger. Hope it's not the alternator. I'm gonna check and see if I got another one, but yeah, let's charge the battery. So I do have another alternator. It's the same one, but I'm not sure how good it is. It looks pretty old. I thought I had a new one in the box, but it was a starter. So I'm just gonna wait, charge the battery, see what it's like when we get back from the gym. And if so, I might have to go get another alternator. But we gonna see. It's about 2 or 3 days later. we definitely gonna finish up with this bumper. I got it test fitted on the car right now, just to see if we actually got it to go down just a little bit. Goodness, all the stuff falling down. But yeah, this video has been long enough. I think probably like 15 minutes in to a whole video. But you seen that I had pushed it down. Hopefully it worked. And then from there, we're gonna sand it down. So I'm not gonna waste no more time. I'll take this out now. So this bumper is definitely going back on this car today. I'm pretty sure I know how to fix this. At the end of the day, it's still a little gap, but it's not as bad. But I'm gonna adjust the headlights so the lights will go down some, and hopefully it'll fit flush. But before I do that, I still gotta do these little corners and sand those down on both ends, and this little corner right there. All right, I got good news and I got bad news. The good news is that I got most of the body work complete. I just gotta put some Bondo, fill up some gaps, stuff like that. I got the bumper fitting perfect. So here's that. Got everything fitting nice and flush. I promise you, once I put it up there, everything is even. I adjusted the headlights to make them fit. This right here wasn't even connected to that light, so it was throwing it off a little bit anyways, but the gap is closed, even on the corners. I sanded the screws down, like I told y'all, the self-tappers. So after I go back over with Bondo and body filler, it's gonna be nice and smooth. You're not gonna see that anymore. I did the same for the other side, trying to make the body as smooth as possible so we can get this ready for paint, like I've been saying. I still got a little more to go, as you can see. All right, and so for the bad news is that's gonna be it for this video. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, share, hit that subscribe button. And y'all leave in the comments, let me know what color y'all recommend I paint the car and what other things that we can bring to the channel to get y'all attention. So yeah, leave a comment. And until next time, I'm out.